Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store for Google Pixel 7. So right here is the Play Store. Now let's try finding Call of Duty. But there's no game. So to fix this, we'll need to click on our profile picture, move to the settings, family, parental controls. Right here, either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games. In here, we need to increase PG to at least 16 and save the settings. Go back, try to reach the game again, and it's right here available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.